Tasengane iyo yechisemino gosiro kwa bana b'Ebirasi Bia Ecde itukoria rero nigo mugavana bwa county ya KISII achakire beno murobero Obwagachi Bw'Ebirasi Bia Ecde abwasiri tukoria rero baigora ekirasi ikyo hase eskuru yoboroso ya Ryangabi eyo gotoka se ward Ibeno nsemo ebunge nyaribali chache county ya KISII okwana ime yeskuru iyo nigo mugavana atebire buna Obwagachi Bw'Ebirasi Bia nigo bono kera eward negati ye manifesto yaye eyo nyatukobaga kuriera abamenyi be county ya KISII Ebirasi Bia nigo bono birachi gutumika na bana beke goriegeke abwase bono abekire ororo TV eri bachikurigereria chikatun emito yokurarera nabo igo baigwe amabere ayora cheko bakonya kwegenderia EMEROBERIO yabo chinga kecho nigo mu MCA bwe ward Ibeno mushimwa Steve Arika amusabiro mugavana nyariko baka kubeka amache ase skuru iyo ya Ryangabi eri boigo ko bakonya useko konya EMEROBERIO ya kirarituko.
We gather to celebrate a promise fulfilled and a future secure. When I presented my manifesto to the people of KISII, I pledged to invest in our children, their health, their education, and their future. This launch of ECD school feeding program, providing milk to our youngest learners, is a living testament to that commitment. This program is not just about milk. It's about justice, equity, and opportunities. It's about ensuring that every child, regardless of where they come from, has the right to grow strong, to learn with energy, and to dream without limits. Even to be answered to Kane, Singapore to Kwana, one arrow answer Ibeno. Even if today being big, can't know MC non cry but charging in the Nakino Montomial. As Maniche, Ndole Grassi, I can name the Dras Motorosi Grassi. I can make sure carry. Ndaitembatem Eviras Tokoros. We talk of first lifting to advertising. Every sign. Kwenye wabia ronsigu binde bitarahera lakini nkabe kakere kras millionaire tobeke bine brasi bire kere word tiganeke ngona ndi brasi binde miroro bibere ya first lifting ima ese word ya Ibeno nechi word chinde chonse esole bekwe etibe bekwe amacha bekwe naboigo ebirogo biriye bike abana beku nechi mattress kibekwe asa abana bakora bakura
Rete promising Ibeno no benchmarking yokorerwa tuachire ko benchmarking. Because of that mugabana ito enkolemo kune ekirasi kia atakonye boli abana banyora mache. Because of that tutagitiko sawa bintu biki kalima itentera toko bisaba ekanoto bietiri ali assembly. Because of that Gabano ito na nataka tobwatesia na neno wako mentiri miaka ende etano. Because of that